Vocational qualifications has helped us to really grow our own skills, both in the hairdressing sector and sort of business, customer service and management. So that's really given us the drive and the skills to be able to set up and run our business really successfully. So the benefits to me and my business from having a higher skilled workforce is producing better results for our clients, more growth through our business, being able to take on more members of staff and then in turn being able to take on more clients. So the qualifications that we offer from the salon are NVQ level 1, 2 and 3 in hairdressing, beauty and barbering. We also offer things like management and team leading so we can grow the business side, not just the sort of core skills for the industry. And we hope in the future to develop a particular team member to become an in-salon assessor. So that means we can assess our learners on site constantly and really help them to just fly through their vocational qualifications. I feel personally really proud and really blessed to have got to how far we have, and I really feel that is through the time and money and effort that we put into our trainees and apprenticeships, because that comes back in time to us then. You know, we have a happy workforce, we have happy clientele, and we have a really successful business from it.